When you're managing managers, your responsibilities are twofold. You need to make sure that they're producing good work, as with any employee, and that they're effectively supporting their teams. You might know how to do the former, but how do you do the latter? Do you need to provide training, coaching, and how do you serve as a good role model? In some ways, managing managers is similar to managing anyone else. You need to align their goals with yours, provide feedback, and help them advance their careers. But there's one important difference. Managing managers also requires leadership coaching. You have to coach managers to develop the culture and capabilities that their team members need. And this is especially important because moving from an individual contributor to a manager is a transition that's often neglected, which is why SaaSy has frontline training for sales development, AE, and CSM managers. It is hard. At SaaSy, we teach frontline managers to be programmatic with monthly coaching themes, which would then be consolidated and shared with you as the manager of managers.